Discover how easy it is to use Apple Pay for your daily transactions. Apple Pay is the best way for iPhone users to make secure contactless payments in stores and online. Experience incredibly fast and secure contactless payments wherever you see the symbol. Enjoy the ultimate convenience and speed that Apple Pay brings to your iPhone every day. Getting started is simple. Let's walk through how to set up your payment card. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone to begin adding your cards. Simply tap the plus icon in the app to start adding your preferred payment card. Just follow the on-screen prompts to verify your payment method, and you'll be ready to go. Paying at your favorite stores is effortless with contactless technology. Just look for the contactless payment symbol at any checkout terminal. Authenticate your purchase quickly and safely using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Hold your iPhone near the reader and watch as your payment completes instantly. Apple Pay makes shopping online and in apps faster and more secure than ever. At checkout, simply look for the Apple Pay button to select it as your payment method. Confirm your shipping and billing details, then authorize the payment with a quick glance or touch. Security is built into every transaction you make with Apple Pay. Apple encrypts your transaction data, so it remains private and secure every time you pay. Because Apple Pay uses a unique device number, your actual card numbers are never shared with merchants. With robust security and unmatched ease, Apple Pay is the smart way to handle payments. Experience the true convenience of mobile payments, whether you are shopping in-store or online. Give Apple Pay a try at your next store visit and simplify your life today.